Are you looking for the authentic Ghana pancake recipe? Oh, I got you. You are at the right place. This, oh my goodness, was so delicious, milky, above all, very easy and quick to put together. I'm very sure you're going to love it. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and we do easy cooking recipes. Please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. Thank you so much. So I have my bowl here. I'm just going to add 5 cups of milk. You are going to see 4 because I'll be adding the extra 1 cup later. Okay, yeah. So I have 4 cups of soy milk. You can use any milk of your choice. You are good to go. You can even use just water and then add some milk powder to it. You are good to go. I've added 3 tablespoons of butter and I melted it. Okay, I've added my sugar and I'm using 1/4 cup of sugar. Just add the sugar according to your taste. Okay, please make sure you mix it very well until it becomes uniform. Do not be worried because of what you are seeing on the surface. It is because of the butter I added. It was melted and the milk was cold. Okay, yes, it was very chilled. Now I added my vanilla. That was a tablespoon of vanilla. So right now I have my 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I've added a tablespoon of nutmeg. I'll add half a teaspoon of salt, and then I'll make sure I mix it until it becomes uniform. Then we proceed. Okay, so that is what I'm about to do. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms as Elizabeth and Mommy's Recipes. Trust me, you will love it everywhere. Sometimes I post different videos at different places. Okay, so please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms. If you want short videos, I have it. I have short videos on my TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. You will love it there as well. Now go ahead and add it to our liquid ingredient and then mix it until I don't see any lump in or it becomes very smooth. Then we can continue. So that is the extra 1 cup of milk I just added. Thank you so much. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always clicking on my videos to watch. I don't take it for granted. I am very, very grateful. Please, after watching this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and then share the video for me. Please, it is free, so do so for me. I'll go ahead and add my eggs. You can add the eggs according to the number of eggs you have. Okay, even if you add just 2, you are good to go, but I'm going to add 6 eggs to this and then mix it very well. Especially when you have toddlers at home and you prepare this for them, they will love it. I mean, you prepare it in bulk. Okay, you prepare it in a large quantity. That is what I mean. And you place it in the fridge. When you wake up in the morning, just pick 2, you microwave it, give it to them to enjoy. You are good to go than to prepare it every day. So I'm going to add all that, and that was the quantity on the label. Okay, I will just put it on the screen. Please do not forget that you can do the pancake without the milk. Okay, you can just use water and then you are good to go, because my husband does not eat milk. Okay, does not drink milk. When I prepare the pancake for him, I use just water and it works perfectly. It is so good. So you can prepare it without the milk. Now I have some oil in my pan. I'm just going to start frying the pancake. Thank you once again. If you are still with me, I am so grateful. I don't take it for granted. And please do not forget to share the videos to others. Like the video for me And please, the most important thing is leave me a comment. I enjoy reading them. Okay, thank you so much. I will then flip it to the other side, just like how you are seeing on the screen, and then fold it anyhow I want it. Just look at that, so beautiful. And this was very milky. Give this a try and let me know how you enjoyed, because I know you will really enjoy it. So I'm frying the second one, then we are good to go. You can see it is not very thick, and it is not too or very watery. Okay, yes, that is how I want it. I just don't want it to become very thick when I fry it. That is why the mixture is not very thick. You flip it to the other side and then you fold it anyhow you want it. Even if you don't want to fold it, just remove it and then enjoy this with either your tea, anything. I usually enjoy mine with milk and it is so good. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to eat healthy. Do not forget to love yourself first. Do not forget that everything that you are going through, everything will be fine very soon. Now let me show you the outcome. So beautiful and so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe or follow so I come your way next time. Know that I love you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.